This is Dr. Faber. I just wanted to show you how to get around the Canvas course a little bit. I think probably most of you are familiar with Canvas. However, on the left-hand side right here are the navigation, and these are the main areas. Most of our content is going to be under modules. So on this home page here, there's some information about the course. This is Math 140, Introduction to Statistics. And you will see we have the course description as well as the objectives for the course as you scroll down. A little bit about myself here. I am an adjunct at Mercy College, but I have taught at the college level for more than 20 years. If you do need to contact me, the best way is through my Gmail account or just through Canvas. Actually, if you just email me through Canvas, I can get that as well. I try to check that regularly, but if you are struggling to get a hold of me, you can email me here at this Gmail account. Okay, navigating the course, I talked about the modules. If you scroll down, there is some links if you need some accessibility or any questions with Canvas. And at the very bottom has the text that we'll be using, as well as the information with Launchpad. And that is an online program that we're going to use for our videos and homeworks this semester. And so I'll show you here just in a second how we're going to get around that. So if we go back up here over to our navigation pane and just click on syllabus, we do have a link here to our 140 course syllabus as well as our course schedule. And go ahead and just click on modules for a second. Now, obviously, you've already been here because you're watching how to navigate the course, but I do have the links for the schedule and the syllabus under this introduction assignments as well. So let's just start here. You're navigating the course. The first thing I want you to do is click on Introduction and Icebreakers. And here I just want you to tell us a little bit about yourself, like your name. My name is Andrea Faber, your major, where you're from, and something fun you did this summer. So one fun thing that I did this summer was actually we took an RV trip with my family, and we were, if anybody's seen the movie RV, we were a lot like that. Okay, so on this one, the way I want you to do it is just come down here, scroll down. This is a program called Flipgrid. Now, the first time you use it, it might ask you to download an app or something. It's totally free, especially if you're using your phones. And you just click on this green plus sign, and it will just do a little quick video, and you can just introduce yourself, just like Snapchat or something. Okay, and I'd like for you to do that video by next Wednesday if possible. And then the other thing I want you to do by Wednesday is sign up for Launchpad. And then we also have some other additional assignments for week 1 here. I'll show you in a second. But let's go ahead and just click on the course syllabus so you can see the course syllabus, and then I'll also look at the schedule. If you want to go ahead and print this out, you can. It does have my name and Gmail account again, as well as my cell phone. Feel free to text me. If you do text me, just tell me which class you're in because I am teaching several different classes. So again, in the syllabus, that has the course description, as well as the prereqs for the course, Math 100 or a placement test. And then here's some add drop dates if you want to refer to that. And then the syllabus does have the course objectives as well as the book, and it refers to Launchpad. I do encourage you to get an 83 or an 84. Do not get an 89 calculator. The 83 and 84, I'll have lots of videos that show you how to use the calculator as well. It is completely online through Canvas, but it's not self-paced. I just have weekly assignments, and if you want to work ahead, that's totally fine. You do need to come to campus at the end of the semester to take the final exam in a proctored environment. They do have at Mercy some off-site proctoring. If you need that, I have some information on that as well. Also on the syllabus, some information about technical support. And then if you kind of scroll down a little bit, the grading distribution for the class. We're going to have 2 things that we'll do in Launchpad is the pre-test quiz and the post-test quiz. Those will both be in Launchpad, and then the videos are also in Launchpad, so you'll do a lot in Launchpad. We will have throughout the semester 5 problem sets that will be due, and these are ones that I want you to print off and just work out by hand, kind of like a practice for that midterm and final. And we'll have a midterm and a final exam. There's some online discussions each week and some videos I want you to watch, and then here's the grading scale. Okay, and if you kind of scroll down, it talks to you about the problem sets and participation. Okay? Okay, and the very bottom then, it does have the course schedule, which if you click back in modules, if you just wanted to print the course schedule instead of the whole syllabus, you can click on this course schedule right here and print that off. I would encourage you to print off the course schedule just so you can. It also has the due dates in Canvas, but this way you're kind of keeping track what you need to do each week. So the first week, I want you just to complete this introduction module where you do your introductions to the class, sign up for Launchpad, and then we also have due the first week is the chapter 1 information. This is a lot of vocab, a little bit with graphs. Hopefully it'll go pretty smoothly for you. So the pre-test I usually have due on Wednesday of the week, and then everything else will be due the following Sunday. So this week, if you can just get the pre-test quiz done as well as your introductions by Wednesday, and then by Sunday, finish the videos and do the post-test quiz. Okay, and then you'll see in week 2, same thing, we'll have the pre-test due on Wednesday and then the post-test due on Sunday. And then also in week 2, we're going to have our first problem set, just kind of really hit you with that problem set. And that's really just going over chapters 1 and 2 and you handwriting out some problems. Okay, and then you can see 2 more weeks we'll have problem set 2 due, and then we have 3 weeks, problem set 3, then your midterm, then a couple weeks we'll have problem set 4, and then problem set 5. And then finally at the end will be your final exam. So I encourage you to print that off to help you kind of keep track of the schedule. Okay, so as you scroll down in Canvas, so that's the course schedule, course syllabus. Here's a link for signing up for Launchpad. If you click on this, basically right here is the link that will be to our Launchpad site. So you will need an access code for that. So if you bought the book, it should have came with an access code if you got it in the bookstore. Once you click on it, you will see this chapter 1. The due dates are August 28th to September 1st. So if you click on that in Launchpad, you will see basically what each chapter is going to have is this pretest quiz. And so when you click on that, you'll just take the pretest quiz. And then anytime it has the word ebook beside it, it's just going to link you to that book. So the videos I want you to watch are these Stat Tutor and Stat Clip videos. So I'll just click on one of those for you. They're really good videos that just kind of go through the introduction.
In this lesson, we discover what is statistics.
So they're basically the publisher videos that go with the textbook. So I want you to watch the Stat Tutor, Stat Clips, and you'll see for each section here, they're going to have those Stat Tutors and Stat Clips. They're real short, couple-minute videos. And then at the end of chapter 1, you'll take the post-test quiz. So you can see in section 1A and section 1B that we have, like 1C has section 1.5 and 1.6. And I think I have you watching the videos underneath everything from 1.1 to 1.6 and then doing the post-test quiz. Okay? So again, that's that link right there, and that'll help you sign up for it. And so it kind of talks to you about here how to do that. Okay? And there is a phone number down here for Macmillan if you have trouble or their customer support with the Launchpad. Okay, again, so try to get that signed up by Wednesday because I want you to also take the pretest quiz by Wednesday. And then the chapter 1 videos and the chapter 1 post-test will be due on Sunday. The videos, what I'm going to have you do, once you watch the videos, I just want you to enter the date here that you finished watching them. So kind of the honor system there, you watch them and then you tell me you watch them and I give you points for that. Okay? Now, on some of the weeks, I don't in chapter 1, I don't think yet in chapter 2. I may add some of my own, I think I will in chapter 2, some of my own videos here, but I just want you to watch the Launchpad videos as well as if I have any videos here, I'll try to post some to help you out with the calculator. Okay? Oops. Okay, and then you can see in week 2, very similar, we'll have the pretest quiz, the chapter 2 videos, the chapter 2 post quiz, and then remember that week we also have the problem set due. So the problem set, there'll be a link right here to the problem set. I'm going to have you print them off. I want you to write them by hand. I don't want you to do the computer. I want you to get practice writing them out and then upload them right here for me. Okay? So I hopefully will have a good semester. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me through email or text or call my cell phone. Looking forward to working with you this semester.